Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm making a toast. So this is this tomato it's organic tomato from my balcony garden. It's beef steak tomato, and then I'm going to put cheese. This is cheddar, Old Fort cheddar cheese, and then kitchen herbs from my balcony garden too. That's basil. This is Italian oregano. I like cooking with herbs. Right? I love herbs in my toast. And then I'm gonna cover. And then yeah, that's my toast. It's gonna take like a minute to yeah. So guys, I cook with herbs from my balcony. I don't go to the store to go and buy herbs. I get herbs from my balcony garden, and tomatoes as well. I get them from my balcony garden. Let's check. Ooh, almost there. I like it a little bit brown. Sorry about the noise, guys. Let's check. Yep, it's done. That's my toast.